design. So the 2024 GMC Terrain will carry on with familiar features and specs. We are about to see the same overall layout based on the E2 architecture and a lot of parts shared with a Chevy Equinox. This update brought a new front face with more aggressive headlights, grille, etc. So we expect that the next year's version will bring a familiar appearance without any notable change. Interior. What we really like about it is the amount of spec, with each generous in both rows of seats. This compact SUV accommodates adults in both rows with ease. On the other hand, the materials are not the nicest, while the build quality is not on par with most classmates, especially not with fresher rivals, such as Hyundai Tucson or Kia Sportage, for example. Engine. There is just one engine option on offer, and the 2024 GMC Terrain will continue in the same way. We are about to see a familiar 1.5-liter turbo 4 engine, which recently received a minor 5 HP power increase. So the max output now goes up to 175 horsepower. 2024 GMC Terrain Release Date and Price. We expect that the 2024 GMC Terrain will hit the market in the last quarter of 2023 with a starting price of around $30,000.